Hey guys, this is Greg with Workshop Software. So we just released our brand new motor.com labor time integration, and that's what we're going to show you here in this short video. First thing we'll do on our invoice is add the vehicle with Carfax. We'll type in the license plate number, and Carfax will give us all the other information we need about this vehicle, such as the make, the model, the VIN number, the year, and also the service history report will come in through Carfax. Once you've added the vehicle, you can click here and take a look at all the previous service history according to the Carfax report. Okay, once you've added your vehicle, now you can start searching for the labor times. And what we'll do next is we will go scroll further down on our page. We'll click the motor button, and this will open up our labor time window where we can search for labor times for all different types of vehicles. In this case, we're looking for a 2016 Nissan Rogue. We can select our submodel, and then this will show us all different types of systems regarding the vehicle, such as brakes, electrical, steering, suspension, powertrain. There's all different types of systems and groups and subgroups in here that will let you find the right labor that you need and apply that onto your invoice. Everything from engine assemblies to air filters to brake pads. You're going to find pretty much everything you need right inside of here. So let's go ahead and add some of these to our invoice. Let's say we're going to do let's do ignition. We'll do an ignition coil. Okay, we'll also go up to HVAC and we'll add in an air filter. And let's say we're also going to add brake pads under here. It's very easy to navigate this little platform. You can easily add multiple labor items right to the invoice. This also works hand in hand with our inspection tool as well. So once you added your labor items to your invoice, you can see that everything's right here. Next step, it would be to click one of our parts or tires integration, and you can start adding inventory of parts and tires onto this ticket here. So we have ignition coil, brake pads, cabin air filter. I can go ahead and save this, and I can print this just to give you an idea of what it will look like once your invoice is complete. Another nice thing about the integration is it will put in job notes next to your labor items. So as you are showing your invoice to your customer, there will be notes included about the labor, so they know exactly what you included and exactly what you have not included in that labor item. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. You can activate the integration in your account by going under integrations. You can go under automotive, select motor, and then right here is where you can activate this integration. It is a $29 addition to our software per month. You must have Workshop Silver or Workshop Gold to use this feature. And I'm putting a link below in this email where you can click and schedule a demo with me to learn more about this, and we can go more in depth if you have any questions whatsoever. Thank you.